guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be talking about the new Essie Fall collection 2021. So they have come out with, of course, their spring, their summer, their midsummer, but now it's time for the fall collection, or at least time for me to swatch them and share my thoughts with you guys. So there are 6 new colors. I got them for €9.90 at a local web store here in the Netherlands, but you can get them online pretty much everywhere. Of course, prices may vary a little bit depending on where you order them, but as I said, there are 6 new colors and this is actually one of them, and I just love the fact that there is a teal kind of blue color in here because I've been really digging blues at the moment, and this is just a perfect fall blue. So if you like blue polishes as well, definitely check this one out because it is a stunner. But yeah, let's just quit the rambling and get into these swatches. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, yeah, I hope you will like it. Let me know what you think about these colors and which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. But I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into the swatches, the review, the whole shebang of this collection, because let me tell you, I am so excited for these fall colors. I'm excited for fall in general and just the whole spooky Halloween season that's been happening this October. Like, let's just put it short, October is definitely my favorite month of year. Not only because I just recently had my birthday on the 6th, but I just really love like the weather. I love how gloomy and stuff it is, and yeah, I can't get over it. I'm just such a fall girl. Let's just put it at that. And these Essie colors are just to die for. This first one is 807 or 807 off the record. This entire collection is actually based upon like music kind of things, as you might see when reading the names of these polishes. But off the record is kind of like a burgundy kind of tone. It is really gorgeous. I am seeing a lot of different nail polish brands coming out with a color like this for fall. It is just perfect for fall. I just can't help it. It is really gorgeous. It does look a little bit more dark pinkish magenta like on camera than it is in real life. I feel like it was a little bit more deep, a little bit more dark in real life, like looking at it with your own 2 little eyeballs. But yeah, working with bright lights like I do, it always changes up the color just a little bit, even though I use like the color passport checker thingy. It doesn't always work out as good as I want it to. But yeah, I have applied 2 coats of this color. I do feel like it could need a little extra coat. So I'd say if you have long nails like I do, definitely go for a 3rd coat. But if you have shorter nails, 2 coats is the way to go. And of course, excuse the like new growth on my thumb. I always, or at least since May this year, am wearing a little layer of gel base and top coat, and I definitely had to redo them while recording this video. So sorry about that. Let's just ignore that and go into the next color, which is 808 or 808 high voltage vinyl. In Dutch we actually say vinyl, so I almost wanted to say high voltage vinyl, but it's a vinyl of course in English. This is definitely one of my favorite colors from this collection. It is very dark, very mysterious and spooky looking. It is definitely a color that you can rock during like Halloween or any festivities you might have going on if you're celebrating Halloween. And if you're not into doing nail art or crazy designs or something like that, I do feel like this is a perfect polish to just wear on its own. It is just dark, vampy, luscious. I love it so much. It is completely opaque within 2 coats.
To describe this color, I am having like a little bit of difficulty going on because it is a little bit of like a brownish greenish kind of dark tone, but it has a really beautiful shimmer, like golden shimmer, and a little bit of like a coppery shimmer going on in there. It is really gorgeous, but I do feel like it's a difficult one to describe, so definitely let me know how you feel like this color is based upon, or what it is based upon, because to me it feels like a cool undertoned dark vampy greenish brownish kind of tone, but not super brownish, more on the green side. I don't know, it's a difficult one. It is definitely really gorgeous, and yeah, just super vampy. I love it really much. The next one is called My Happy Base. I think you say base. It could be bass, but I think it's base. This is actually one of those colors that you either love or hate. It is a mustardy kind of yellow, but I do feel like there is a little bit of an olivey green tone mixed in there as well. It is not as yellow as, for example, the new Holo Taco yellow color that was in their latest collection, like the tea creams or cremes collection. This one is a lot more towards the pickles kind of color. I don't know. It is a little bit more green yellow than a true like honey kind of yellow, but it is a really cool color, especially for fall. It is beautiful to combine with the first color from this collection, that burgundy tone. That is gorgeous. I love color combinations like that. It just screams like fall and winter and just cozy seasons to me. I just really love that. Like, I have a sweater in this color and you might be like, ooh, that's like a yuck color, like not pretty, but it actually suits me really well because I'm quite like neutral towards like cool undertone skin tone, if you know what I mean. It just suits me really well whenever I wear something clothing wise in that color. But yeah, I pretty much love it, and with those two coats it was pretty much perfectly opaque. Then the next one is called Starstruck Accord. This one is quite a special one as well. It is like a grapey dark purple base and it has a ton of beautiful golden shimmer. I feel like the shimmer in this one is a lot more finely milled than the shimmer in the second polish that I shared, but it is really pretty and it just gives like a glowy effect more than a glittery effect, if you know what I mean. This color definitely makes me think of like red wines in France. I don't know. It's just, I'm not even a wine drinker, but it definitely reminds me of like a red wine. And yeah, it's just a really nice color actually. I don't know if a lot of people are really into the super dark colors, but this is definitely one of those tones that will suit a lot of different skin tones as well, or at least in my opinion. I think this would look gorgeous if you have a super dark, like amber like skin. Ooh, that would be really pretty, I'm sure. But yeah, this one is actually completely opaque within two coats as well. I actually had a little bit of spilling on the sidewall, like next to my nail. But yeah, let's just ignore that. I have removed it for the end result, as you can see. But in return, I got a little cat hair stuck in my manicure. So yeah, you can't really win, you know. Sometimes when you're swatching stuff like this, like cat hairs, if you have cats, you know what it's like those hairs get into everything. Even when you vacuum the crap out of your house, there is still cat hair. Well, yeah, I love them to death, so I really wouldn't want to miss them anyway, so I'll just deal with the random cat hair. But yeah, next color already is Sound Check You Out. This is a really nice neutral, super wearable kind of color. Nice creamy formula as well. I don't feel like it is a really hard to apply kind of polish. It just applies effortlessly. You don't really have a lot of streaks or anything like that going on either, even though it is a lighter, taupey, nudie kind of shade. I'm not quite sure if this is a color that will suit well with a lot of different skin tones, but it is a little bit like, I don't know, I can't tell if it is really on the warmer or cooler side, but I pretty much like this color. It is definitely a tone that I can see myself like wear a lot when it comes to like daily life and going to work and stuff like that. But I also feel like it is a really nice color to have in your collection to use as a base color for doing like a stamped nail art design on or something like that. And yeah, it's just pretty easy, wearable, nudie. I like it, but still on the fall side. So it isn't like a super light nude wearable color. It is a little bit more dark. And yeah, I don't know. I have nothing else to say about this one. It is just a really nice color. The sixth and final color from the fall 2021 collection by Essie is this one. It is called Feeling Amped, and this is actually the polish that I had while recording my intro, because I'm just loving blue colors at the moment, and blues can be kind of like hard to wear, especially if you're scared of getting stains or discoloration to your natural nail plate. That is also why I wear the gel base and top coat. Not only does it just strengthen my nails a little bit more, protects my nails from like damaging them during work and stuff like that, it also protects my natural nails from getting really discolored by very pigmented colors like this one, because you really need to wear a good base coat to prevent that from happening. But yeah, it is a really nice color, very petrol like, which is something that I love. A little bit like teal-ish, but more on the blue side, if you know what I mean. It's just a really nice medium darkish blue color, not too dark, so you can actually still wear it all year round, but I feel like it is perfect for fall. And once again, it is a beautiful creamy formula and completely opaque within 2 coats. Maybe if you have shorter nails with like no free edge or something like that, maybe you can rock it with just 1 coat, but 2 coats is the way to go for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday, and yeah, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.